If you've been practicing the law of attraction for quite some time, chances are you've noticed some signs that your manifestations are on their way. However, if you're a newbie and in need of some encouragement, don't fret. I've got your back. But first, let me clarify one thing. Don't solely rely on signs to strengthen your belief in your manifestation. Why? Well, when you're constantly seeking out signs that your manifestation is coming, you're putting unnecessary pressure on yourself and ultimately slowing down the process. Plus, seeking reassurance from signs implies that you don't fully believe that it's already done. Instead, remember this: there's a big difference between believing that something is coming and understanding that it's already done. So trust in the process and know that your manifestation will come to fruition. It's already done. Here are the 11 signs that your manifestation is coming. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Human Mind Project. Number 1, you're at ease with it. One of the signs indicating that your manifestation is happening is when you feel completely calm and centered about it. You have a deep sense of knowing that everything is falling into place. It may even feel like you don't need to do more visualization because the process is already underway. You can simply relax and let the universe take care of the rest. Number 2, messages surrounding you. As you get closer to experiencing what you've manifested, pay attention to the world around you. Signs and messages may grab your attention again and again, showing you that good things are coming your way. You might notice talks that resonate with what you want, thought-provoking content, or symbols that resonate with your situation, or powerful dreams that stick with you throughout the day. You should trust your gut feelings and read these signs in a way that make the most sense to you. They exist to remind you and motivate you, strengthening your faith and keeping you on track to reaching your goals. Number 3, people are leaving your life. You might notice changes in your relationships and connections, like some people are fading away from your life. These shifts can be caused by energy misalignment, personal development, new opportunities, changing priorities, self-belief, and confidence boost. Remember to trust your gut and let things flow naturally, knowing that those who are aligned with your desires will back you up. Keep in mind that not all ties will be cut, as some may grow and transform